Industrial machines crack the roasted beans, and powerful airflow systems separate the lighter shells from the dense cocoa nibs.
The cocoa solids are crushed into a fine powder, while the golden cocoa butter is filtered and stored, preparing. As the mixture passes through the rollers, the refining process begins. This grinding action reduces the
Look here, consistency is slightly low on the last batch. We're adjusting the flow rate now to compensate.
Chocolate is carefully tempered through automated systems, heating and cooling in precise cycles to ensure proper crystal formation for shine, snap, and shelf stability.
Gentle vibration ensures the molten chocolate settles evenly, forcing trapped air bubbles to the surface.
All right, bring it in slow, watch the height. Clear on the left, set it down.
From this facility, these shipments begin their journey to global markets, delivering iconic American whey dough across the continent.
The flow rate is dropping significantly right after that temperature spike.
We need to stabilize the coolant intake, or we'll see a dip in production metrics. Sustainability systems collect excess heat and materials, highlighting Hershey's environmentally responsible manufacturing practices.
We need these chocolate bars ready for the morning delivery.
Loading them onto the truck now.
Look, I found the crackle. Awesome. I got the milk chocolate.
Great choices, you two. Let's go.
occasion. From the lush green farms where the cocoa pods are carefully harvested to the factories where they are transformed.
These look perfect. Ready for the next batch.
From the lush cacao farms to the expert hands in our factory, every step of the journey ensures the highest quality chocolate.
Welcome to our farm!
We are proud to share our harvest with you.
Chocolate bars stacked neatly symbolize efficiency and consistency.
Innovate. Create. Elevate.
Full operation resumes as the robotic welders synchronize.
By integrating field data with laboratory analysis, we've identified the core mechanism driving these cellular changes.
next production cycle begins.